What's going on, people from YouTube? SOLEDAD here, checking in. Today I'm gonna take you guys to Mount SOLEDAD. Nice little memorial here in San Diego. I think it's designated to the Korean War, I want to say. There's a nice big concrete cross atop of the mountain that, as you can probably guess, there's there's a lot of controversy going on regarding that cross due to, you know, the whole religion and government thing. But anyways, who cares about all that? It looks nice. It's a beautiful monument. True story. The last known house of Dr. Seuss is somewhere up here. I can't tell you exactly where it's at, but it's somewhere up here. I think his wife or ex-wife, whatever that case is, she still resides in that home, I'm pretty sure. I think that's what I read. Alright, coast is clear. This is literally back the way I came. But hey, at least we get to see these nice houses. I get to be on a nice bumpy road going uphill and downhill. Can't say I've done that in a while. Ow. Oh, I hate these speed bumps. Oh, these aren't too bad. So there's a beautiful view up here, guys. Very nice. I took my parents here when they came to visit me once, and they really enjoyed it. So there's that cross, that controversial cross that looks beautiful. A couple bikes here. A lot of bikers in San Diego like to ride to this location, and I mean, you can kind of see why. It's just a nice view. It's beautiful. You can see most of San Diego from here. Yep, this is the view, guys. Got a bunch of beaches that way and a bunch of beaches over there. Hopefully the GoPro does the views justice, at least a little bit. Mr. Abs over here. Anyways. Oh, how embarrassing. Alright, guys. Take the key out so I don't get jacked. Take the phone off so it doesn't get stolen. Got a message and a comment on Facebook. Anyways, let's go check out this mountain.
Wanna fade out.
so I'm gonna do one more wrap around this beautiful memorial here, and just let you guys enjoy a little more. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little walkthrough. And if you guys have any other locations that you want me to visit here in San Diego, feel free to look a couple up, send me a message, comment on this video, you know, get the message across somehow. And, you know, let me know if there's anything else you guys like to see around here. I'll be more than happy and more than willing to go and ride to these locations. So like always, it's been real, it's been fun, and I'll see you guys in that next video.